Hello everyone, this is Gabriel from PriceAction Forex Limited, and today we are back with another free signal breakdown video for you all. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what we did, how we analyzed and how we executed this insane 148 pip move, which got us about a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2.6. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So this is how the 𝐬𝐨𝐜𝐸 daily chart looks as of 22nd of September 2021, and as you can see, price has been rallying downwards for the last few days, but this is where we entered our short positions. And the primary reason for that was the fact that price had grabbed liquidity from the previous daily important highs. So as you all know, that retail traders, what they tend to do is draw support and resistance lines. So probably the retail traders that were involved in 𝐬𝐸𝐸 market movement, they probably drew their resistance lines right around here, and what happened was price broke above that resistance, and so naturally a lot of retail traders thought that this is their chance to go long. So we were really looking forward to taking the opposite side, and what we did was we waited for indecisional candles, and that is what we got first from here, and then the next candle that grabbed the intraday highs and then moved downwards. So this was our confirmation that yes, price is willing to go downwards, and all we had to do was go to the lower time frames and find a very good entry. So that is what we did, and let me move on to the 1 hour chart. So this is how the intraday price action looked when we took that sell. So we've already decided from the high time frames that we want to look for shorting opportunities and go against the common retail traders. So all we had to do is come down to the lower time frames, just like now we're on the 1 hour time frame, and look for shorting opportunities, look for more confirmations from the lower time frames. So that is exactly what we did, and when we came down to the 1 hour time frame, we saw that price had been creating this beautiful distribution model, and we could immediately relate this distribution to the common Wyckoff distribution model. So this is typically how the Wyckoff distribution schematic works, and you can see that there is a buying climax present, there's automatic reaction, then there is sign of weakness, upthrust, last point of supply, sign of weakness, and all that. So these are the things that we could identify on the price action of 𝐬𝐸𝐸, and what we did was we immediately marked things up, and we were just looking for that one last confluence, one last cue to just prove it to ourselves that this was the perfect short, and that was this candle in particular. So what this candle did was it went all the way up, took all the Asian session highs, and then flipped and closed really bearish. So what this proved to us was that price was ready to go downwards, and this fake move was just to capture the last bit of liquidity that was forming above this consolidation, and price was now ready to go downwards. So even for targets, what we were looking for are liquidity targets. So we marked up multiple liquidity zones on the charts, and these are the areas where we took our partials, and finally it reached and it completed our whole move, our whole target, and gave us a beautiful 148 plus pips trade, and this was shared with a community of more than 300,000 traders. So this is exactly how we managed to pull off this crazy high probability trade, and the best thing about it, you could have taken this exact same trade with us absolutely for free. Yes, you heard that right. As soon as we took this trade, we notified our Telegram community with 300,000 traders from all around the world that we were entering this trade. We sent out the pair's name, the entry price, stop loss price, and the take profit price. All you had to do was just copy these numbers and put them on your trading platform. It's simply as easy as that. We're doing 99% of the work so that you can save yourself from the unnecessary losses, stress, and anxiety. We have a team of over 15 traders constantly monitoring and analyzing the markets 24/7. We have mastered the movements of the markets for years. You can simply copy our exact trades. Having said all that, if you haven't yet, join our Telegram channel right now for more free signals every single day. Link is in the description. Go check it out right now.